Welcome to Construction Technology at Prosser. I am Michael Junga, one of the teachers here, as well with Brad Spine and Ron Zimmer, the other two teachers for this program. Okay. Our program will provide you a hands-on learning experience for almost all of the building trades you will find in the construction industry. Those will include things like rough framing, flooring, cabinetry, interior trim, painting, just to name a few. During your 2 years here at Prosser, you will earn 9 dual credits from Ivy Tech and 3 national certifications from NCCER, which is a national industry training program. The classwork portion of your school will consist of about 40% of your time here, and that will include lessons in safety, which is paramount for our students, as well as hand tools, power tools, rigging, estimating, blueprint reading. In addition to that, 60% of your time will be hands-on learning. And we will construct a 1,500 square foot home each year, which you can see in the video and in some of the pictures that are around me. In addition to that, you will get lots of time in the lab doing exercises with the tools to feel competent. And you also will do a job shadow and micro internship program with actual contractors on actual job sites. Now let's swing out to the lab with Brad and let's look at some tools.
Hi, Brad Spine here at Prosser Construction Technology. You know the drill. We're not going to worry about climbing no corporate ladder. We're going to climb the real one. Now, finding your route to success here in construction technology will be so easy, you're going to find yourself on another level. Our goal here at Prosser Construction Technology is to get you a cut above the competition, so when you're ready for the job site, you're really going to nail it. Speaking of job site, let's go see what Ron's got.
Hello, I'm Ron Zimmer. Welcome to Prosser Builders Division, which is Prosser's very own housing development. Here at Prosser, this is our job site. As a student, you'll be involved in building of one house from the ground up, possibly even 2 houses from the ground up. While here at the job site, part of what we're going to do is build the house from the ground up. We'll end up drying the house in, which means we'll be installing the felt and shingles on the roof. We'll actually be doing the window and the door installation. And students this year will be involved in laying the masonry when we get ready to brick and stone the house. So let's come on inside and I'll show you the rest that you're going to experience that your time is here. Okay, so inside the house, when we get the house dried in, we'll be moving inside. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be concentrating on insulating the house, we'll be drywalling the house, we'll actually be painting, doing all the priming and painting of the walls, we'll be priming and painting of the trim. Once we get done with that, we'll move back in the house, we're going to be involved in installing the doors, installing the baseboard, installing the casing around the doors and the windows. Another thing that we're going to be involved in is putting all the floor coverings in, all the laminate flooring, all the tile flooring. Some of the last finished work that we're going to be involved in is we're going to be hanging the upper cabinets. We'll be installing the lower cabinets, lower base cabinets, installing the countertops. Lastly, we'll be putting the range and the microwave in. Also, we'll be, as far as cabinets are installed in the laundry room, the bathrooms will be installed in the vanity. So hopefully next year you'll come help us with our next build. Hope to see you there.